Always helps to put it in gear. So I'm just taking the on a bit of a hill there, but just taking the 911 for a quick drive. I've just been playing with a few bits and pieces. Don't want to say what they are just yet. But it's driving great. Now it is about 4:30, so there's a bit of after school and people finishing work, traffic around. Now I don't know how the audio is going to sound because I'm just using my phone to record this and there's no plug-in microphone or anything like that, and I do have that window down, so I won't know how it sounds until I listen to it later. Now you might be able to see in the sky a little bit, but it's a little overcast and we've been getting a lot of rain and it's quite humid actually. It's still about 25 or 26 degrees Celsius. Where did all my hair go? Shit. No, but it feels good. It feels really good. I've been taking out for a few little drives and just leaning it out, not leaning it out, but just correcting the fuel, I guess. But yeah, leaning it out a little bit in certain spots, and it's really helped. Anyway, I'm stuck at some lights. I'm just going to pause it for now. So much more responsive than before. I honestly can't believe that changing the camshaft timing by just a fraction would have been enough to make that difference. You can hear a few little pops and whatnot on the overrun. That's because I'm cool. Porsche wanker, I can hear you saying it now. Hopefully there's no one down here. I'll just open it up a little bit. Ready? Here goes. Slow down for traffic and potential police. Third gear is strong. Third gear is strong. Wow. Man, that feels great. Like at 3,000 RPM, this thing is responsive. Doing about 2.5 here. Let's give it a squeeze. Even at 2.5, it's responsive. Wow. I've got to find somewhere I can open this up, but there is literally nowhere near where I live that I can do this. I just can't do it. I might just do a bit of a U-turn and head back up this straight. Got to remember this is a suburban area, so it's pretty quiet for now. In about 10 seconds I'm going to let rip. Hope like hell that there's no law enforcement nearby. Alright, here we go. That was pulling to about 5,500 RPM. It'll go to 7 easy. Fun's over. Plenty of cars everywhere, so